Most back pain is caused by muscle tension, stiff joints, and degenerative discs that are sitting on the nerve. A lot of this is caused by all the sitting we do every day. When you sit, you slouch forward, and that puts pressure on your back and spine. The result is chronic back pain, and that really hurts. That's why we have created the BackOsage 8-in-1 Decompression Belt, the only belt that combines 8 therapeutic solutions to improve your posture, decompress the lower back, stop you from slouching, and help relieve your back pain. With over 20 years as an industry leader in massage therapy and pain relief, IGEA's experts listened to consumers and developed the reinvented next generation BackOsage. Remember our original traction belt? Well, we took it to the next level with the latest available technology, our proprietary decompression tech. It now has 8 powerful and effective methods to give you a total package back decompression and traction treatment, unlike any other device. This proven technique for relieving back pain is much more than a regular support belt. The BackOsage 8-in-1 has heat therapy for muscle soreness and stiffness, our proprietary decompression tech, inflatable air lumbar support, a built-in dual-frequency kneading massager, cold therapy for inflammation, 360 degrees graphene heat conductivity, Theralite therapy known to help recovery, enhanced energy magnets. And are you ready for this? It's cordless, so you can take it with you anywhere, anytime. So how does it work? This is your spine. The discs in your back are the shock absorbers, but they deteriorate from the tension that occurs from sitting and slouching all day long. Look what happens when pressure is applied on your lower back. The result is pain and lots of it. Just put the BackOsage on and pump it up. When the BackOsage is pumped, it increases the height of your muscles, which stretches your discs and relieves the pressure and decompresses the joints while supporting your core abdominal muscles. The result is the BackOsage lifts and unloads the weight of your upper body off of your low back, so you're for ultimate decompression, so your muscles can relax. You won't want to take it off. And that's not all. The 8-in-1 BackOsage Decompression Belt goes further than any other support belt. It's incredibly comfortable because with the built-in pump, you have total control to customize your BackOsage. More air for more support, or let the air out as needed. It's all up to you. The heat function helps promote blood flow in your back, loosening up your stiff lower back muscles and the spine. A kneading massager within the belt helps further release tightness in your spine, giving you a spa-like massage anytime you want. What's better than that? The super material, graphene, fills the entire belt to help increase heat conductivity, channeling both heat from the device and your own body. 4 infrared lights, which are known to help recovery, line the inside of the belt. Plus cold pack pockets for whenever you need to reduce inflammation and target the pain. We also added energy magnets, and best of all, the BackOsage is cordless, portable, and rechargeable. If you have back pain, hip pain, or even pain radiating down your legs, stop suffering all the time and stop taking pills for pain. Back our campaign and get maximum back decompression. Support your core all day long with air, massage, heat or cold. Fix your posture and help relieve your back pain. With the BackOsage 8-in-1 Decompression Belt, your back will thank you.